Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations. Today is our Friday edition and I will be doing a crochet tutorial. So first off, before we get started, what am I wearing? This is a colorwork raglan sleeved knitted sweater. I basically used the pattern from Tin Can Knits. It's the Flax Light pattern, but I modified it by making it short sleeved. Not short enough to cover the bat wings, but shorter sleeved. And I also put some color work on it. The yarn that I used for this was a knit crate yarn that is a linen weight, or it's a linen fiber that I made this with. It's a fingering weight yarn. So today we are going to be making little strawberry bookmarks. You can use them as a bookmark or a bag charm, which is what I would use them for. So here is the strawberries that we're going to be making. And here are the little hearts. Oh look, I match. But anyway, yeah, so I am going to turn the camera around and show you the supplies you need and how to do this. So these are the two bookmarks or bag charms that we're going to be making today. Now the base for both of these, both this red part and this red part, are identical. You can kind of see it right here. But I will be showing you how to make both of them. So the supplies you're going to need are some yarn. I'm going to make the heart one with pink and white, and I'm going to make the strawberries with red and green. So you'll need that, and my yarn is worsted weight yarn. I'm going to use a smaller hook than what you normally use with the worsted weight yarn, just because I want it to be tight and I want my stitches to be dense. I don't want like gaps and stuff in it, so I want to have a tight fabric when we're done. So I am using a 4mm hook. The other thing you're going to need is some scissors and a darning needle to weave in the ends and to also be able to attach the little leaves for the strawberry. So let's get started. We're going to start with the strawberry. Like I said, the base is the same for both. You're going to begin with a magic circle, and if you missed my tutorial on how to do the easiest magic circle I've ever seen, you can click the link right up here in the right hand corner. But it's basically a slip knot that you then insert your hook into, and you're going to chain 2, actually 3, chain 3, 2 and 3. Then you're going to put 2 double crochets into the magic circle. So we have 1 and 2. So you now have a total of 3 posts, and you're going to draw your magic loop tight. This forms the bottom portion of your strawberry right here. So the next row, you're going to chain 2, turn your work. You're going to do a double crochet into that same stitch here. And then you're going to put another double crochet into the next stitch. And then the last stitch you're going to put 2 double crochets into. One and 2. So you have doubled your double crochet counts. You had 3 here, you now have 5 posts. You're going to do this one more time so that you have 7 posts. So you're going to do chain 2, turn your work, put a double crochet into that same stitch, then you're going to put a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, my yarn's trailing me, and 3, and then the last stitch you're going to put 2 double crochets into. So there's 1 and 2. So you now have 7 going across. So it's 3, 5, 7, an increase of 2 stitches each time. So we're now going to be doing this top part of the heart or the strawberries. So you can see it kind of right here. And right here we're doing those little edges right here. So you're going to begin by chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to do a half double crochet into the next stitch. And then you're going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. So we have 3. Our 4th stitch is going to be our center stitch out of the 7. So this one you are just going to do a single crochet into. So this next stitch, our 4th stitch, is the center of the heart or strawberry. So we're actually just going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to pull it down, grab the yarn, and just pull it straight up through and pull it snug. So it gives you that kind of rounded look right here. The next stitch is going to be a double crochet. The next will be a half double crochet. And then the last stitch is a single crochet. And that is your heart or your strawberry. So now you can weave in the ends, and you are going to make another one identical to this. So if you want to pause the video and then come back, we will go on to the next step. So now I have my 2 strawberries done. Now before we go to the next step, you want to thread your needle with just a small amount, doesn't need much, of the color of the strawberry leaves. Then you're going to chain 30 stitches. Don't cut your yarn, just chain 30 stitches. And you're going to create 3 loops. Now what I do, I kind of pull this last loop so I can get the hook out of the way. And you're going to create 3 loops that are even in size. You might have to do a little adjusting until you get it about right. And there we go. I'm just kind of holding them, and this is where the needle comes in handy. You are going to thread through the top of all of those loops. Like that. So there's my leaves. I'm going to pull the yarn partially through. There we go, right here. And now I'm going to sew that right into the top of my strawberry. Just give it a couple of loops. Kind of keep it all together so it stays leafy looking. I'm just doing an over stitch here, kind of over and around. And then when I've gone through all 3 stitches, I just pull that thread and I'm going to tie it off. There we go. I'm going to cut off any excess. I'd leave a little bit to weave in, but cut off any extra. There we go. Now I'm going to pick that big loop up and I'm going to chain as long as I want the space to be between the 2 strawberries. So you can make this part as long or as short as you want. So I have made mine about 8 inches. Now again, I'm not going to cut this thread. I'm going to take a little teeny piece of yarn, actually it's in a different color, and I'm just going to pull it through here. This is just going to mark where the end is for the bookmark, but I am going to make my next group of leaves. So I'm going to continue to chain 30 stitches more. So I've gone 30 stitches beyond the end of where my strawberry is going to go. So this yarn I can now clip and get that out of the way. And I'm just going to pull this through a slip knot. And I can even weave it in now so it's less confusing. I don't have too many ends in my way. So I wove in that end, and I'm now going to attach the other strawberry. So again, I'm going to figure out 3 leaves. I have my thread in my needle ready to go. I'm going to create 3 leaves. There we go. Well, I had it. There we go. I'm kind of holding this in place so I don't lose it. I'm going to thread the yarn through all 3 of the loops and into the main section here where that marker was. I can now pull that marker out of the way. I'm going to pull the yarn through . There we go. And now I'm going to attach it to the strawberry in the center with 3 more of those around and through type of stitches just to lock the loops in place. There we go. Now I'm just going to tie it off. There we go, and I'm going to weave my ends in on all the sides, and there will be my strawberries. So here is what my cute little strawberries ended up looking like. The interesting thing is I'm making the hearts out of a sport weight yarn as opposed to a worsted weight. Look at the huge difference in size. And you can see there's also some gaps in here compared to this, which is denser. So next I'm going to show you how to make the hearts. In this case, I'm using white yarn. And you're going to begin with just a simple slip knot. Put your hook in, and then you're going to insert it right here at the top of the heart, right into that stitch, which was your slip stitch. And you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go in, skip a stitch, and go into the stitch beside it, and do just a slip stitch, and then do 3 chain, and do a slip stitch into, skipping 1 stitch, going into the next stitch, and do a slip stitch. I'm also trying to incorporate the tail at the same time. And you're going to slip stitch this one, chain 3, skip a stitch and go into the next one, and as you're going down the side of the heart, you're not going to see as well defined stitches. You just have to kind of keep the gap the same all the way around. And you're going to do another slip stitch, and you're going to do this all the way around so it makes a little lacy edge to your heart. So I've gone all the way around my heart, and then back up at the center where I started. I'm now going to chain as many stitches as I want to get the length that I want. You want about 8 inches at least, so just do as many chains as it takes you to get that distance. So now we're going to attach the other heart, and we're going to repeat what we did for the first heart. We're just going to go into that center section, right there, do a slip stitch, and then begin your chain 3s all the way around. Then you're going to cut your yarn and weave in the ends. So here are my finished hearts and my finished strawberries. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. They're fun to make, they're really quick to make. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you consider subscribing, please click that little red subscribe button down below. And if you want to see more crochet tutorials, you can click the link right over here. And if you want to just check out some of my regular videos, you can click the link over here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.